Seeing a no signal message on your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS even though the HDMI cable is connected? Don't worry, here are a few quick fixes and tips to get it working properly again. So first you have to press the input button on your remote and check if your HDMI device appears in the list. If it's not showing up, make sure the HDMI cable is connected to the correct HDMI port on your TV. For example, some soundbars only work through the HDMI ARC port. So if they are connected to a different HDMI port, they may not be detected. If everything looks connected correctly, but you are still getting a no signal message, you have to try using a different HDMI cable because a faulty cable is one of the most common causes of HDMI connection issues. And you can also try cleaning the HDMI port, use a soft air blower and clean it perfectly. And then you have to reconnect the HDMI cable securely and make sure it's plugged in all the way. Next, make sure the connected device has power and is fully turned on. But after trying all of these things here, if you're still having the problem, you must have to restart both of your TV and the connected device. Just turn them off completely, wait about 5 minutes and turn them back on. Now press the input button again from your remote and check if your HDMI device appears and starts working properly. And that's it. Hopefully one of these tips fixed your HDMI no signal issue and got your device connected properly. I hope this can help you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.